boom. Probably the GAN 14 has arrived. So I ordered it the same day. It was available from the GAN website, and it took until today to arrive. So delivery was a bit sluggish. Let's see what we find in the box. Okay. That's true. I actually ordered it along with one of these cube spinner stands that I also have over here, because I have the GAN lineup, 360 with 56M and 11M Pro, 12 and 13. So without further ado, let's see what we received. Oh, I got a, let's call it a gift. Oh yeah, that's true. I also ordered one of these cube covers because I don't have any. And I considered just using a popcorn tray, but now I have a real cube cover. Now just have to assemble it, and with that out of the way, let's move on. And let me just figure out the angle here. And let's get this away. I got a Smart Cubing Super League cover. I'm not really sure what this is. A collectible of some sort. Oh no, it can go inside the cubing cover along with this one. So the box really isn't that big, huh? Just for comparison, these are the GAN 12 boxes, and as you can probably see, this is a lot smaller. So that's good for the environment, I guess. And let's open it. Boom. Oh, look at what we have here. A thing to pull it, so I don't have to like the. So now we do it nice as it's supposed to work. I have this fine card. I guess this one is a QR code for the maybe the GAN app. I don't know, the cubing station app probably. And we have the cube itself here. An accessory box. Now the accessory box contains this funny little tool and this very, very blue bag. Now, this looks much more blue than the other GAN bags, but let me just compare. No, I think it's roughly the same. So, just me that's remembering wrong. And then, of course, the guide for how to use it and how to solve it. Let's look at the cube itself. Now I did open it accidentally before. Oh yeah, and it's here. So no extra plastic wrapping. I guess the cube was just dumped inside this and closed. And it's kind of a two-part system, I guess. Oh, shite. Sorry. Yeah, so this one contains extra magnets, like we saw in the 12 and 11 generations. And of course this tool that in the 13th generation is inside the front of the box. This box it seems way more heavy than both the 11 and the 12 and the 13 boxes. But it's a really nice box. I mean, carrying it around would be no issue at all. Oh, okay. So instead of forcing it open from the sides, you can just press here, and it's very equivalent to these, like the 11 box types. You press here and they flang open. So Oh. So first few moves seems very nice, and I don't know really what I can say. It's definitely tuned another way than the other cubes I have, so that makes me fumble quite a lot. But I think with the proper looping, I could come to like this a lot. It's more like the 12 or 11 maybe than the 13, but it still does. Let's see. It's not fair to really compare this to the other cubes right now, because I spent a lot of time tuning these in to my preferences, and the way they came was also not to my liking. We could, of course, I could, of course, spend some time at least adjusting the corner magnets, and as for the new stuff, that would be the centerpieces that can be adjusted. Oh, not center, sorry. Edge pieces, yeah. So for adjusting the repelling magnets, but I think I need to get it disassembled entirely in order to be able to do that. But I don't know what the repelling will actually do. This is the 13, and I have a bit of a grip with this one. It's easy to hear the difference, but this is because this is looped. It also sounded more dry or more papery on arrival, like this one does. So after looping, the cube will become faster. At least the way I loop it, it becomes faster, or you could also use a slower loop to make it more controllable. But most of all, it becomes more quiet. So yeah, that's nice.